Art of Fiction, Detailed Summary and Analysis by Henry James. Background and Context. The Art of Fiction, 1884, is Henry James' landmark critical essay responding to Walter Besant's lecture on novel writing, where Besant laid down rules. James pushed back, arguing that fiction is an art, not a formula. This essay becomes a manifesto for modern realism and artistic freedom in the novel. Detailed summary. 1. Fiction is an art, not a set of rules. James rejects perspective do's and don'ts. A novel can't be taught like carpentry. It must be judged by life, likeness, and intensity, not by whether it follows external rules. The only obligation of the novel is that it be interesting. 2. Freedom of the novelist. No topic is off limits. No method is inherently wrong. What matters is whether the chosen method works. James insists on artistic liberty. Each novelist should find the form that best expresses their vision. 3. Experience as the raw material. James broadens experience beyond events to include observation, imagination, sensitivity, and inner life. A novelist doesn't need to live wildly to write well. What matters is a finely tuned consciousness. 4. The central importance of character. Character and action are inseparable. Plot should grow organically from characters' motives and perceptions, not be imposed mechanically. Characters are not ornaments of the plot, they are its engine. 5. The novel as a personal impression of life. For James, a novel is the author's personal vision of reality, filtered through temperament and intelligence. This emphasis anticipates psychological realism and modern narrative techniques. 6. Critique of didactic fiction. James resists novels written primarily to teach morals or lessons. Art should not preach. He should render life truthfully and let meaning emerge naturally. Critical analysis, core ideas, artistic freedom, no universal formula for fiction. Psychological realism, focus on inner consciousness, not just events. Organic form, plot arises from character. Sincerity of vision, truth to life over moral instruction. Literary significance, a foundational text of modern literary criticism, influenced later writers like Virginia Woolf and Joseph Conrad, shifted English fiction toward interior depth and realism, helped legitimize the novel as a serious art form. Strengths, defends creativity and experimentation, expands the definition of experience, elevates the role of perception and consciousness. Limitations, abstract and elitist in tone, underplays the social and political functions of fiction, vague about how to judge interest or success. One-line summary. The Art of Fiction argues that the novel is a free artistic form, whose only true obligation is to represent life vividly and honestly through the novel's personal vision.